Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add multiple variants on eBay listing, or how you can create a listing with variations. Like if you have like a product with many colors or many sizes, I'm going to be showing you how you can like create multiple variants on eBay listing. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, or first thing you need to know is not all like items are eligible for this. Okay, so you can try and see. Now you want to click on sell and then click on create listing. I'm going to click on create single listing. Okay, so I'm going to search for a random product that I will try to list a random product because I don't have any product to list. I just want to show you guys how you can like create a product with like different variations. Now I'm going to list this keys, for example this iPhone keys. Okay, so after that you want to just click here on new. Okay, here if you scroll down a little bit, I'm going to click here new. Now as you can see, this product is not eligible for variations. Now as you can see, we are not able to see here variations. Okay, so this product is not eligible for variations. Okay, so I'm going to try another product. Okay, I'm going to try this on this browser because I have like a problem with okay, so I'm going to click on AliExpress and I'm going to search for another product. I'm going to click on sell, create single listing, and I'm going to find another product and see if we can like if we are able to create variations. Now I'm going to copy this title. Now this just the problem with this is it's like the category of the item. That's the reason why like eBay doesn't allow certain items to have variations. I don't know exactly why they are doing this, but that's just how it works on eBay. I'm going to click the condition of my item. I'm going to click on new. I'm going to scroll down to see now if we can see variations. Okay, here we have variation option here, variations. As you can see, click on it. Now if you click on it, then you will be able to add now a product with variations. Okay, I'm going to delete these two because I'm not going to use the item height. I have other things like the color. So for example, I'm going to add here color. If you cannot find here color, you can add it here. Click on add your own attribute. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I'm going to click on save. As you can see, after you click here, after you select here color, then you want to add all the colors you have. For example, I have a product with black color and blue and brown. You can also add something else like the size. If you have like a product with different sizes, you can also click on add your own attribute. I hope I pronounced this correctly. And then select size, click on save. So okay, remove the value added for item in the specifics. Okay, you can also click on add. Okay, and then you can click on create your own, and then you can add, for example, XL. Click on add. Create your own again, M, for example. Click on add. That's it. Okay, that's exactly how this works. Now if you want to delete any of these variants, you can just delete it here. So yeah, that's exactly how this works. Okay, so I just want to have some colors in my product. Okay, because I have a product with different colors. After you are finished, click on continue. Okay, here you will have to add like the default like your images, like all the colors you want to add them here. Okay, after that you want to scroll down and click here on use default photos and click on color or size or whatever. If it's size, just ignore this. Okay, just add the images there and that's it. If it's a color, then you want to add the black color, so that when like customer I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. When the customer, for example, selects black, they will be able to see black, how black looks like. Okay, so that's exactly what I mean. So when they click, for example, I'm going to check this. Okay, all these products, they don't have variations. Okay, as you can see, when someone clicks on black, you will be able to see black color. That's exactly what you need to do here. Now on the black here, click on black and you want to add that exact product here. and here you want to click on blue, and you want to add that exact product, so that when someone clicks on blue, it will show them the image. Okay, so after you are done, then you want to then add the price here. You can also set different prices for different variants if you want. You can also change the quantity for each variant. Now, like I said, I have like 3 different variants: black, blue, brown, and you can set the price here. For example, I'm going to sell this black color for $100, but the blue color I only want to charge $90, or like $30 for the brown. This is just an example. Of course, you can set the same price if you want. Okay, so after that, you want to click on save and close, and that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very simple. Okay, so now you just need to add your normal description, stuff like that. As you can see, now we have created different, like products with variations. As you can see, we have blue, black, brown. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Hit the like button, and see you guys next video.